But even the hairs of your head are all numbered. Matthew chapter 10, verses 30.
Hey guys, it's Peaches and it's
Dean here.
and today we're back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing my hair as requested. So I would like to say welcome back to our channel. The products used is Creme of Nature, or should I say welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't as yet. Now let's get into it. So we're gonna let that water saturate our hair. You know, you have to get your hair soaking wet, let that water penetrate as long as it needs to. After, we're going to be using the sulfate-free Creme of Nature with argan oil product, which is a shampoo that gives you moisture and shine, and it also hydrates and detangles. As you can see, I placed a lot in my hand, but you only need a little bit. That's why it had so much soap suds, as you should say, or foam. But you only need just a toots, not the amount that I use, just a toots. As you can see, there's like a foam fest in my hair, but that goes to show you how good the product is. So just a toots, remember that. So yes guys, so we're gonna rinse off all of the shampoo, and then we're going to apply the intensive conditioning treatment. Now this strengthens, it deeply infuses moisture, and it prevents hair breakage. It also has no sulfate. So what you will want to do is, if you want to make it into a deep conditioning treatment, you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes with a shower cap on your head, or if you don't want to take that long, you can just leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. However, we're going to section our hair into 4 sections and just wrap that up and let it sit for a while, right? After that, we're gonna wanna rinse it out, right? So we're gonna take down each section by section and rinse off our hair. So you will notice that I did not use conditioner. Do not be worried, right? This is just how I do my hair routine. You don't have to do your hair routine exactly like this. You can add your conditioner and things like that. But nonetheless, we're going to put in the anti-breakage leave-in reconstructing conditioner, right? So don't be alarmed that no conditioner went in as yet. So guys, we're at the part that we all have been waiting for, and it's the curly hair routine. Girl can pitch high notes, just keep that in mind. So I'm just showing you the end product of me washing my hair. Yeah, curls already looking luscious. We ain't gotta do nothing much. Now we're going to section our hair back into the 4 sections. Why did I even take it out in the first place, right? I asked myself that. But nonetheless, section it back up. And here is where we're going to add what I mentioned to you, the aloe and black castor oil reconstructioning anti-breakage leave-in for weak, breakage prone and damaged hair. It's a conditioning aloe Jamaican black castor oil vitamin infused. No sulfates, guys, no sulfates and no mineral oils, right? So we just put a generous amount into our hair. Now, do not be stingy with this because remember we didn't put conditioner. So you're gonna put that in your hair. As you can see the shine coming back in, right? And you just want to rake that through, and then you're gonna pass the comb in it. And we're gonna do this for all 4 sections, right? But here I'm showing you how I do section by section with all the products that I have shown you in the beginning. So right here, I put in the Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk, right? So this now instantly moisturizes with exotic shine and softens and detangles, and it defines curls and it controls frizz. Look at how the comb glides through the hair. Y'all, I forgot for a moment that I was on camera. I was like, whoops, you can't be tugging your hair like that. But yeah, look at how my fingers glides through the hair, right? All pretty and detangled. Next, we're going to put in that defining custard. So this one is from the Pure Honey brand. Still Creme of Nature, but the Pure Honey. So it's a twist and hold defining custard, and it's pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates, and guys, no mineral oils, right? So we put a dollop, and rake that through the hair. Make sure you get those ends, baby girl. Get those ends. And yeah, we're just gonna be raking. As you can see, look at the curls. Look at the curls forming, right? And then the last product that we're going to put in is the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator for dry, dehydrated hair. Same, pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates, no minerals. And this just gives your hair a little bit of elongation. As you can see, it doesn't really shrink up. It gives you a little bit of length. So this is a very, very good product. You could even use it in your curly hair weave. Bomb, 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 bomb curl. And finally, to seal all these products, we're going to use a natural blend shea butter premium hair oil. So this is for conditioning dry, damaged hair and controls frizz while adding brilliant shine. So we're going to continue these steps for the next 3 sections. So let's listen to some music and watch it get done. But here you have some perfect curls. Wrap that up and on to the next. This is the final look, guys. No gel was used, only the Creme of Nature products. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it met your standard, as this was a well-requested video to be done. Thanks for watching, guys. And always remember, make sure to be loyal,
Be love.
and live your life. Now get yourself that fire hairstyle from your favorite Peaches X
Dean.